Hello, Kannaway family. I'm excited to spend a couple of minutes with you and talk about a product that I love called the Fuel Replacement Shake. Now, this shake is a wonder for when you are on the road and you need a quick meal, but it's also a staple every single day. Let me tell you a little bit about it. So this product is formulated to meet the macros of a healthy anti-inflammatory diet. Sometimes they call that a ketogenic diet, but the idea is to increase the healthy fats, decrease the carbohydrates, and then have a healthy protein source. So all the ingredients in this are natural based. You've got healthy cream, you've got eggs, you have a number of MCT oils and things that are in there designed to balance blood sugar, eliminate cravings, give you that mental clarity and good feel that you're after, and basically replace a meal with an anti-inflammatory meal to help to calm down the effects of the gut. If you're suffering from, gut pain, gas, inflammation, stomach ache, things like that, this is a product for you because it will help to calm all that down. At least one of your meals a day is going to be calm, and you can consume it more than once a day. I know I do that, especially on long road trips or when I'm at the office and I don't have time for a meal. This is an easy thing because one scoop of powder and some water and it tastes amazing. You've probably tried some of the shakes on the market where you get that chalky taste in your mouth or that feeling. You're not going to have that with this. Because of the healthy natural ingredients, we're not using any of those chalky powders and things like that. It actually tastes like ice cream. Some people say it tastes like vanilla cake. This is a shake that you will love, you will crave, your kids will love, and there's nothing unhealthy in it. One of the things is you can also change it up. You can use it with berries, chocolate, whatever you want to add to it if you want some variation in the flavor, but you don't need to. You don't need to mix it in milk. It tastes amazing in just water. Now, along with that, we have an entire recipe book where you can use this as a baking powder to make crepes or pancakes or waffles or even bread. And so if you're saying, I'm trying to cut the carbohydrates and how can I do that? Well, you can even bake with this. And so we love this product. We're very proud of it. Everybody who tries it loves it. It's an easy one to sample and share. People fall in love. My kids crave it. They're always saying, Dad, bring home more of that Fuel Shake. So I think you'll have the same experience as I did. It's one of those that we never want to go without. I don't think you will either. Give it a try. You'll love it.